All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice number 3, which is the Bucky W, the Dylan helmet, the Crosby helmet, or the, what was the other thing? The Cephas full size. So we will check the time July 4th at 7:43 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 4th at 7:43 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott. Spot 14 is your winner. So, Scott, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 4th, 7:43 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.